Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. So okay, this is not going to be a craft video, this is just an update video because I've had lots and lots of questions about all these lovely princesses and I just wanted to let you know what the latest is. So link down below is a link where you can get the printable and the instructions to all of these princesses. But I also wanted to tell you that I've created these. Let's have a look. So some colour your own princesses. There's only two to choose from. There's Cinderella and there's Aurora. I chose these two because I thought they were the sort of most basic princess and they had the two different hairstyles. I think they would look amazing in different skin tones. They would look amazing with different hair colours. So make it black and brown, orange and yellow, whatever colours you choose, and have a really good fun with their dresses. So I wanted to let you know that we've got these colour your own versions and I think you'd really enjoy them. And again, the links are down below, free to download, free to print. And what I would really love is for you to have a go at these printables, turn them into ornaments like these little ladies here, or even into little play toys like these down here, and send me your pictures. And I would love to use maybe the top 3 or 4 pictures that you send me and add them to my blog post and feature them so that people can see how you can turn this printable into something adorable like this. And then the other thing I wanted to say is, although mine are all ornaments, so you can see them here having a little twirl, which I love, they also make really nice little paper dolls because they all stand up. Apart from Jasmine, you have to cut her feet off for her to stand. And what's even better is if you flatten them like this, they're really flat and they store really easily. You can put them in an envelope, a little paper envelope, and you can take them with you. And if you have like a younger brother or sister or a child at home, these would be really good to take with you on holiday or to the restaurant or visiting family. There's something to play with. Anyway, that was my update. I just wanted to say hello. I wanted to show you my printables. I wanted to encourage you to have a go at using them and sending me your pictures. And yeah, I just wanted to say thank you for watching and taking the time. Anyway, take care and see you again soon. Bye.